Hello, everyone. My name is Charlie, and I am Mama the storyteller's friend. I am here to read you the story, and it's called My Family Loves Me. I hope you really enjoy it this morning. All right, here we go, everybody. Hey, Wonder Pets, shouted Lenny. Let's go visit Grandma. Goody. So Lenny, Tuk Tuk, and Mingy too hopped to the floorboat, and off they flew. They saw some friends along the way. They said hello, but they couldn't stay. They met the Screaming Worm. Slender Mouse and Daddy gave him a great big hug. In China, in the tall bamboo, they saw a baby panda and its mummy too. They played with penguins on the ice. His mommy and daddy were very nice. And finally, they touched down Grandma Goodie's little town. She gave them all kisses and all a hug. And then they shared a piece of made celery pie. The end. I hope you all enjoyed My Mama Loves Me. Sorry, My Family Loves Me, and I hope you all enjoyed that. Until next time, I love you all.